Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Chelsea and today I'm going to give you an introductory tour of the amazing application of PosterMyWall. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified on our upcoming videos. PosterMyWall is a great application that allows you to create, customize and design posters and advertisement images, social media graphics and high quality videos using free as well as paid templates, which is a boon for business promotion. Creating an account on PosterMyWall is very easy and free of cost. You can also promote events, businesses, churches, restaurants, schools, NGOs, bands, real estates and many more. Now let's have a look at the features of PosterMyWall. As you can see here at the top of the home page, we have a drop-down list in the templates section where you can browse various themes like events, small business, Black Friday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and also customize the sizes according to your requirements. Not just that, you also get the perks of using great features like posters, flyers, social media posts, email campaigns, 4K and HD videos, digital signages, menu makers, and last but not the least, teams, that is, group designing, where you can collaborate with other designers and create a masterpiece with your mates. There's so much more to explore. So that's a brief introduction about PosterMyWall. Now let's have a look on how you can create an effortless design with simple tools that will attract the audience and boost your business. Now let's create and customize a design template on PosterMyWall. First, I will click on posters and I will select a poster. Let's select this one and click on customize template. As you can see, we are provided with this template. We have the resize option above where we can resize this poster into different dimensions. Now, if I want to replace the text given in the poster, I will simply click on the text box, and as you can see on the right hand side, we are provided with a wide range of options. So I will first change the text to singing competition. As you can see that the text is not fitting in the poster, so you can fit it by clicking on the text box and increasing or decreasing the font size just like this. Let's change workshop to limited slots. Let's change the date to November 11th. And let's change the timing from 5 to 7. As for the company name, let's add the name of our YouTube channel, RV Technology. And for the address, let's add Mumbai. If I want to change the font of the text, I will simply click on the text box and I'll get the option of font, and I can change it just like this. As for now, I'll leave it as it is. The color of the font can also be changed by clicking on the color option. You will get three options: solid color, which will have a single color, a linear gradient with two colors, as well as a radial gradient like this. As for now, I will select the solid color and add white to both of the text boxes. You can also change the alignment by clicking on the alignment option with left alignment, central alignment, or right alignment. So till now we have seen how we can change or replace the color, font, size as well as the alignment of the text. Let us now change the background color. To change the background color, just click on the background and you will get the background color option, and I will choose the gradient color option where I have two colors. So for color 1 I will be choosing this color, and for color 2 this one. Furthermore, if you also want to change the color of the graphics provided, just click on it and you'll get the color option, and you can change it just like this. As for now, I'll leave it as it is. You can also upload your logo by uploading it in the photo section. So I'm going to add the logo. Next, you can also add elements like shapes, clip arts, stickers, QR codes. As for shape, you can add this square shape, and you can decrease the size and widen it. Place it over the text. You can change the color of it. You can also change the outline of the box, and simply click on it and press backward. And as you can see, we have added an element right behind the text. You can also add fancy text, plain text, slideshows and menus. You can add media, layouts, and different types of backgrounds. It is worthwhile to note that in the free version you will not be able to download videos or animated posters without the PosterMyWall watermark. So friends, now we have come to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it and gained valuable information. Do let me know any queries that you have regarding PosterMyWall in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.